In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM for construction. If you're in construction, a CRM isn't just for selling, it's how you keep bids organized, follow up on estimates, and make sure every call, site visit, and proposal moves the project forward. We'll keep it simple and focus on getting into Zoho CRM, using the sales area to manage your pipeline, and staying on top of every touchpoint from the Activity tab. First, open your browser and go to Zoho CRM, then sign into your account. When the home dashboard loads, take a moment to scan what's in front of you. You'll typically see quick snapshots of leads, deals in progress, tasks due, and recent activity. Think of this as your daily command center. If you manage multiple teams or divisions, make sure you're in the correct organization view before you start. A quick tip: use the search bar at the top to jump straight to a client, project, or address without clicking around. Next, head over to the sales area. This is where you accelerate sales by automating tasks, managing leads, tracking pipelines, and enhancing customer engagement. For construction, that means centralizing inquiries from your website, referrals, and bid invitations, converting qualified inquiries into deals, and tracking them from pre-construction through proposal and negotiation to a signed contract. Add key details that matter to your operation, project type, location, bid due date, budget range, and decision maker, so you can sort and prioritize quickly. Use automations to assign new leads to the right estimator, trigger reminders when a deal changes stage, and send a courteous follow-up after you share a proposal. Document conversations and site notes in the deal record so anyone on your team can pick up the thread. Over time, you'll spot which project types close fastest and which sources bring the best margins. Now, open the Activity tab. This serves as a central hub for planning, tracking, and managing all sales-related actions, follow-up calls, meetings, and tasks, so no client engagement is missed. Start your day here. Filter for what's overdue, what's due today, and what's coming up this week. Log calls immediately after they happen, schedule the next step before you hang up, and attach meetings to the correct company or deal so nothing gets lost. Set due dates and reminders ahead of bid deadlines and walkthroughs. If your calendar is connected, meetings will stay in sync, making it easy to manage your day from your phone or desktop. When a deal advances, update the activity plan accordingly to keep momentum. That's it. Go to Zoho CRM, work your pipeline from the sales area, and run your day from the Activity tab. With those two sections dialed in, you'll reduce misses, speed up responses, and win more work with less effort.